Facts about chilies: they originated in the America and have a rich history of cultivation. Chilies come in a wide range of heat levels, measured on the Scoville scale. The compound capsaicin is responsible for the heat in chilies. Chilies are rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and iron. They are used in cuisines worldwide to add flavor and spice to dishes. Capsaicin in chilies has potential health benefits, including pain relief and metabolism boosting. Capsaicin in chilies acts as a natural deterrent to pests. There are thousands of chili pepper varieties, each with its unique characteristics. Chilies can be preserved through drying, pickling, or making them into sauces and pastes. Thank you.